All right, so we're going to talk about different strategies to add and subtract. So today we are going to work on the task that I just gave you guys. And I'm going to read the first question. All right, your school cafeteria sells popsicles for 75 cents, Nutty Buddies for 85 cents, and ice cream cones for 60 cents. If a student spends about $10 in the month of October for these treats, what could the students have bought? List as many combinations as you can. So, when it says about $10, what strategy might you use, Tamaria?
You can probably use the tens.
Okay, you
Rounding.
can use by, okay, hold on, don't yell out. So you said that you could add and subtract by tens? Okay, all right. Is there another strategy? You just yelled it out. Rounding, which is what we've done before when we did the healthy snacks. So if I round the price of the popsicles, the Nutty Buddies, and the ice cream cones, what would my price be for the popsicles?
80.
Hands, please, Aaron. 80 cents. So popsicles will be worth 80 cents. Nutty Buddies, if we round the price, Kaya. Not 70 cents. So the fives, would that make it 90 cents or would that make it 80 cents? 90 cents, good job. All right. And then our ice cream cone is 60 cents. Do we need to round that number?
No.
No, we're fine with that number the way that it is. All right. So we're going to create our combos. And I want you guys to tell me some of the combos that you came up with. Now remember, we said our combos have to come to about how much?
$10.
$10. All right, so who wants to give me one of the combos that you came up with, John Terrius?
Nutty Buddy, which is 90 cents.
Okay, just one Nutty Buddy or multiple?
Just one.
Just one Nutty Buddy, all right. All right, and the Nutty Buddies are 90 cents, okay.
2 ice cream cones.
2 ice cream cones. Tell you what, we'll abbreviate. We'll call the Nutty Buddies NB. All right, and those are 60 cents a piece. So we'll say 60 and 60. What else? We still have popsicles up here. Okay, how many popsicles?
One.
One popsicle. Which was worth
80.
80 cents. Is that all you have in your combo? Okay. When I add these up, am I going to be close to $10?
No.
Okay. So what should I do if I want to make this close to $10? Help him out, Renaya.
Add 2 more Nutty Buddies.
So I could add more ice cream treats, correct?
Yes.
All right, so let's go back, John Terrius. So what would you like to add? You can add more Nutty Buddies, more ice cream cones, more popsicles.
Ice cream.
You want to add more ice cream cones? Okay. How many?
Just one.
You just want to add one more. So instead of 2, you'll have 3.
And then add a popsicle.
So you want to add 2 popsicles?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else? All right. So what should we do? Because we have 3 ice cream cones that are 60 cents a piece. We have 2 popsicles that are 80 cents a piece. So we need to find out how much in ice cream cones we have. So what should we do, Zamaria?
First add all zeros in one place and put 15
Of all of these numbers or the 60 cent? The 60 cent? All right, so then what should we do though? we're gonna need to find out exactly how much money he spent on just the ice cream cones alone. Okay? So we can say 60 and 60 and 60, right? Because we have 3 ice cream cones. So what are we gonna add first? Rihanna. Okay, what place value is this? All right, so we're gonna add all of the zeros that are in the ones column first, which is 0. And then we're gonna move over to what spot? The tens, and we're gonna add all the 6's and the 10s. John Terrius, can you help me out with that?
6 plus 6 is 12.
Okay.
6 18.
Good job. All right, and did you hear what he said? He did some mental math. He said 6 plus 6 is 12. He already knew that. So he started at 12 and he added 6 more, which is 18. All right. We have to use our decimal since we're talking about money. So we have $1.80 worth of ice cream cones. Now we need to do the same thing for the popsicles because we have more than one of those. So what do we need to do to find out how much in popsicles we've spent? Kaya. We did. We're going to get 2 popsicles, and they're 80 cents a piece. So how should we set that up? Okay, good job. 80 and 80. All right? So we're going to add our ones column first, which is going to give us what? 0. And when we move over to our tens, we're going to add 8 plus 8 equals 16. Good job. So I'm going to write a 16, and I'm going to put my decimal point since we are talking about money, and I am going to write $1.60. Now we are ready to add our whole combo up, right? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add up our ones column, which is 0. And then in our tens column, we're going to add 9 and 8 and 6. Who can tell me what 9 plus 8 is, Darren?
17.
17, and then we're going to add 6 more.
23.
All right. So I'm going to write the 3 in the tens. What do I do with the 2?
Carry.
I'm going to carry it over to the hundredths position. So now I'm going to add everything in the hundredths position. Who can help me out with that? Lamario.
2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4.
Very good. Do I bring down my decimal point?
Yes.
Good job. All right, so for John Terrius's combo, he spent $4.30. Was he close to $10?
No.
No, he wasn't close to $10. However, he did use a good strategy to come up with a combination, okay? So for one of my strategies, for one of my combos that I created, I did 10 popsicles and 2 Nutty Buddies, okay? Eraser. I did 10 popsicles and 2 Nutty Buddies. All right? Because remember, my goal is to get to $10. All right? So I have to use a lot of ice cream treats because each ice cream treat was less than $1. Okay? So if I have 10 popsicles, those were worth 80 cents. Okay? Who can tell me a strategy that I can use to find the price of the 10 popsicles? DeAndre?
Add up all the 10 80s.
Okay, you said add all of the 10 80s. Okay, so you're saying to add 80 and 80 and 80 and 80 and 80. That's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Remember in our directions it said that we could also use what?
Pictures.
Pictures
Or words.
or words. Well, we've already rounded, but in our directions it said that we could use pictures or words. Did anybody use pictures?
Yeah.
Kevin, you use pictures as well? All right, so let's see. What picture did you use? Can you come up here and show me? You used the money, okay? Okay, come on up. Show us what you did with your money. Okay, thank you. All right, so you drew coins, and your coins were worth how much?